So, in the previous video, we had opened a previously saved class 4 PowerPoint presentation. I am using PowerPoint in place of LibreOffice Impress, where we learned how to open a previously saved file. Next topic, how we can edit a presentation. Once you have created a presentation, you may need to edit it. What does editing means? Now listen. Editing a presentation means making changes in it, such as changing the layout of an existing slide, adding pictures to a slide, inserting and deleting slides, and so on. So students, as you can see, we have a slide. Okay, the first slide, it's, let's say, so now I'm adding here that this is class 4 presentation. Okay, and I'll put a date here, not a date, I'll put chapter 8 Office Libre, oops, the spelling is wrong, Office Libre Impress. Okay, then I put some new next point. Let's say today is Tuesday. Okay, and here what we are learning editing a presentation. So students, what I have done right now is editing. In the previous time when we saved this file, these contents were not written on it. These contents or these lines I have added right now. Okay, if I am talking about this, let's say I am deleting this content. In the previous time it had a content, now it doesn't have. So what am I doing? I am editing the presentation. So what does editing means? Editing a presentation means making changes. Everyone has seen that I have changed or I have made changes in the presentation. Yes or no? Yes, I had made changes in the presentation. Okay, and these changes what I have done in the presentation, let's say I have added a picture also to the presentation. So what am I doing? So what I am, editing a presentation means making changes in it. We had made changes, we had changed the content, we had deleted some picture, even we have inserted a new picture. So editing a presentation means making changes in it, such as changing the layout of an existing slide, adding pictures to a slide, inserting and deleting slides, and so on. So let's insert a slide also. Here if I want to insert a slide, I have to right click new slide. I have added a slide. If I want to change the layout of the slide, I can do that also. Here I have changed the layout of the slide, and let's say if I want to delete a slide also. So click on this, we have delete slide, and the slide get deletes. So what I have done, I have edited the presentation. Now the first editing. You can change the layout of an existing slide. A slide layout is an arrangement of all the items that make up a slide in presentation. So I'll show you the slide layouts. Yeah. So you can see these are the different types of layouts. Okay. Layouts means the proper positioning of the contents. Like if we are talking about this layout, this part is for heading, subheading, subheading. We can add here text, we can add table, chart, graphics, media, pictures and clip art. So everything has their proper positioning in this sheet. Headlines, subheadlines, text and the pictures. So each of them has the proper position. Hence, this is a slide layout. We have different layouts. Blank layout. We have title and content, section and header, title only. So these are different layouts which we can change. It contains placeholder for text, video, picture, charts and shape. Click on the drop arrow of the slide button. As I can see, as I have told you, different slides have different types of placeholders. Some has placeholders for text, pictures, some has no placeholders and some has placeholders for only text. Here you can see the different types of layout available with Office, LibreOffice Impress presentation application. Now we will be discuss about the slide layouts. Title content layout is most commonly used layout. It is used to give a title and in contents in point. If you want to see that title, here it is, title content layout. Title slide layout is used to add title, subtitle. It is very easy to use. Just click on any of the placeholder and start typing. We have title, subtitle, layout, title only. Title only layout is used if you want to place only a title on the page. You can then insert other types of object as picture if needed. So I'll just show you the title only layout. Yeah, here you can only add title if you want only a title on your first page. So let's put up a title. Class 4 chapter 8, and I'll just bring this onto the first page. And then we have blank slide layout is often used when a picture needs no further information. It will be inserted to cover of the whole slide. Now in those cases in which slide doesn't need any title or any caption, we want to insert a complete picture, we go with a blank slide. I go with a blank slide